Hey Food Fam, it's Sunny from Sunny's Cooking Diary. If you're new here, welcome to the cooking family. Today, we're making the kind of low back go that'll make your grandma proud. And don't worry, I've messed this up enough times to know exactly what not to do. First rule of Turnip Cake Club, don't be lazy with this radish. I tried skipping the peeling once. Tasted like I was eating dirt. You can grate or julienne this bad boy. Me, I go julienne. Chop the shallots. Now, the good stuff. Lapcheon, Chinese sausage. This guy is sweet, fatty, and makes the whole dish taste like heaven. Dried shiitake mushrooms. Dice the shiitake mushrooms. In a bowl, mix rice flour and starch. Slowly add water, stirring until smooth. Pro tip: use mushroom soaking water for extra umami. Use 316 grams if you want it firmer or 336 grams for a softer bite. No lumps allowed unless you want disappointment. Now we're gonna stir this until it looks honestly kind of weird, like savory glue. Yeah, that's the texture we want. Let's make some shallot oil. Fry them until golden strain and keep both the crispy bits and the oil. This is liquid gold, my friends. Don't throw it away. Don't you dare. Using the shallot oil, stir fry your lapcheon. Dried shrimp. Mushrooms. Until your kitchen smells like a Cantonese deli. Fry this low and slow until they are basically begging to be taken out. If my neighbors don't knock on the door asking for a plate, did I even cook? Throw in your shredded radish and saute until it sweats out its moisture. So, are you making this? Drop a comment and let me know. What's your favorite dim sum dish? Add sugar, salt, oyster sauce, and white pepper. Mix well. Cook until the liquid almost disappears. Lower the heat, pour in the butter, and stir. It should thicken into a gooey, paste-like mix. If your arm's not sore, you're not done yet. Grease your mold, pour in that savory goodness. Smooth the top. For 45 minutes. If it jiggles too much, steam 10 minutes more. Let it cool completely. Chill in the fridge till firm. and then slice it up. It can be eaten as it is or pan-fried until golden brown for an enhanced flavor. Look at this beauty, crispy outside, soft inside, packed with all the good stuff. Dip it in chili sauce, soy sauce, or just shovel it straight into your face. I won't judge. Thanks for watching Sunny's Cooking Diary. And if you love this, smash that like button so YouTube stops hiding my videos from you. See you next time. Happy cooking. P.S. Sunny love all of you, Food Fam.